Here's a quick look at innovations in streaming data display. Here we're looking at massive number of records streaming in during a cyber attack and how you can respond in real time to this event. You can see the raw records coming in at the top, and on the right side you can see a heat map of the pattern of these records as they accumulate. We're able to run all kinds of cross-filtering as the events are changing, which gives you this sort of live investigation. We can filter by time, find the first attack in this series, or we can come in and take a quick look. For example, what's happening in Texas. We're working with a team live as this is all happening. If we want to go in and filter by, say, get just the West Coast, we'll go and get all the zip codes greater than 9,000. That'll give us this chunk on the West Coast. Or if we can just go and draw a selection rectangle on the East Coast. And here you can see we're using spatial locality for analysis. On this heat map, we can see where the biggest events are, where they're accumulating the most, and the leading zip code. We can go in and search at that, look at the individual records for King Canyon and figure out what's happening there. So you see the power of this massive real-time event responding. We can stream Kafka, we can work with Delta Stream, we have an API for streaming, and in this example there's just this massive update rate where the cars are going in and out of this selection rectangle, and we're also streaming the traffic lights. If you look at game motion, game testing, drones, sensors, you can very quickly drill down to just the individual record level and take a close look. Now, under the hood, the power of RAMDB is streaming these records in and out at very high speeds, and this is all just sort of sub-millisecond thread synchronization. That's the real power here.